Feel like you're banging on the universe's door, begging for a glimpse of the life you've been dreaming of. Hi, I'm Nicole Campbell, and believe me, I've been there. Standing outside that door, feeling the cold shoulder of a universe that seemed deaf to my pleas. But everything changed when I discovered a secret, a cosmic whisper that turned into a roar of abundance. And it's hiding right inside you. I know the frustration of following the rules of manifestation masters and still watching my dreams dissolve into the ether. That pain is real and it aches deep. But let me pull you in on a secret that's as old as time itself, yet neglected by so many. Inside your brain lurks a tiny powerhouse, the pineal gland, your third eye. This is no myth. It's a biological marvel that, when tapped into correctly, can weave your desires into reality in ways you can't even imagine. You've been fed a narrative that hard work and endless rounds of affirmations will get you there. But what if I told you that it could be as effortless as flipping a switch? This is where my third eye code comes in. A blueprint that holds the key to unlocking your full potential without the strain. Through trial, error, and a dash of serendipity, I crafted this book and the third eye system. It's not some dusty tome of arcane knowledge. No, it's a vibrant, living system that I've honed through personal experience and by guiding others just like you. And the results? Mind-blowing. With third eye code, expect a life where abundance isn't an uphill battle, but instead your natural state. I've watched the magic unfold in my life and the lives of countless others who dared to take this journey. This isn't another self-help gimmick. It's the distillation of ancient wisdom and modern insight hacked into a straightforward, accessible guide. But I must warn you, there are people out there that don't want you to find this path to empowerment. They thrive on your search, not your finding. That's why I can't promise how long third eye code will be out in the open. So let's cut to the chase. Normally, guides like this would set you back a pretty penny, but my mission is to fling wide the doors of abundance, not slam them shut. That's why you can step into this new reality for a hugely discounted price of $4.95. Less than your morning latte for life-changing knowledge. You might be thinking that's it. What's the catch? No catch, I promise. I'm setting this price because I want it to be easy for anyone to grab this guide without thinking twice. I remember what it felt like to be where you are now, and I believe everyone deserves to unlock their fullest potential without breaking the bank. Better yet, third eye code isn't just about saving you from another high-ticket seminar. It's about saving you from years of wandering in the dark. It's about clarity, simplicity, and success. A no-nonsense companion in your journey to thriving. Act now, and not only will you get third eye code, but I'll also throw in a treasure trove of bonuses worth $275 to amplify your journey. All risk-free with my 365-day money-back guarantee. So now you have two paths to choose. One path leads back to the same cycle of hope and disappointment. The other is paved with the promises of third eye code, a path that beckons you towards a life where your dreams aren't just wishes, but certainties. So grab your copy of the third eye code and see your life change forever. It's crucial to understand that time is of the essence, and this presentation is coming to a close. The third eye code and all the valuable bonuses won't be available forever, and I can't guarantee how long I'll be able to keep this offer up, especially at this ridiculously low price. The forces at work wanting to keep these life-changing secrets for themselves are always looming. You've got nothing to lose with my 365-day money-back guarantee and an entirely new, brighter, and more fulfilling life to gain. Click the button on this page now, and let's awaken the life you were destined to live. See you on the other side.